youtube.com. There we go. Let's just go up here. My channel. Videos. Let's go down. Oh, Captain CHEESE123. Wow. I haven't seen him in a while. Let's see, let's just go to let's go to one of my latest videos. I need help, not mentally. Let's go down. Hey, hold on. Pryce. Hey, you're probably wondering who I am. I am Captain CHEESE123, half face. I haven't seen or played with you for a long time. Yo, hold on. I have Discord. Hold up. Like, we could do like a whole collab with this guy. Okay, so let's just read this. Hey, Pryce, you're probably wondering who I am. I'm Captain CHEESE123. I haven't seen or played with you in so long. I would love to. Thanks. Please respond. And I responded. How to send messages on YouTube. Alright, I'm gonna watch this whole video and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm on his channel and he actually has a couple videos. That's cool. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna watch this video again. Wait, not that one. Okay, I'll just go to his channel again. Is my phone ringing? I just heard an iPhone ringtone. That's weird. Alright guys, I'm just writing a sincere message. Hashtag. Is it hashtag? Yeah. Discord. There we go. Now let's just go with this from. Alright, Cheese PvP. No image. That's funny. Alright, I'm actually gonna try to find out how I'm gonna be doing a collab with him. Like how to make his voice and my voice work together. I don't know. But yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, man. I'm just gonna go to Creator Studio. Do you know what I gotta get here? Okay, this is my dashboard. Okay. This is my YouTube dashboard. Not video manager. And, yeah, this. Would it be this? Oh, no, never mind. But, I'm just gonna go to community anyways. Messages. Likely spam. What's this? Video novel. Wait, hold on. Translate. Yeah, I've recently searched this up. Portuguese, yes. New video on the boyfriend channel. What? Yeah, I was just watching Anthony Padilla. I'm just gonna copy this because he started spamming me this. Boy, add the bell to not loose video. Okay. Hi, my name is Hannah. I'm an official agent for the Freedom. Okay, I'm just gonna approve that. I'm not gonna approve this. What does this even lead to? Okay, then. No. Wait, why'd I do it? Like that. Alright. Now. Okay, guys, go, subscribe to this person. She's my friend. Even though his screen recorder is, like, very off and she's very laggy, she still has the penguin package, and I respect that. So, what's up with this? Like, okay, so Tremedy apparently came back. Adopt and raise a kid, like, but they still have this one. Wait. Okay, they removed kid or cute, and they just let it say that. So I'm just gonna play this. No, I'm gonna do that in another video. So stay tuned for another video. But yeah, what is up with what is up with these? I have way too many ads open. Is this one? No, I'm gonna one likely spam. Sure, let's remove that. Yeah, YouTube friends. Yeah, let's actually. Yeah, sure. Okay. Sure. Thanks. Alright then. Yeah, my volume isn't up, so you probably have to turn your volume up for this. Alright, back to school, I want to watch that. That I already know how. I don't really need translate anymore. Pandora. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that open. Egg Hunt and Roblox. No, I could just watch that later. Cause I was watching Anthony Padilla. Cause I love Smosh. Alright, so now I'm just gonna wait for him to respond, and I'll be right back. I'm just gonna watch this. Alright guys, so we're gonna be choosing the winner. Mr. Pryce, maybe? Mr. Pryce, yeah, maybe. Or like Mr. Penguin. No, that's just too original. Like, no, I didn't. Also call your fans. Canada Pricers, no. Have the name be Sir or Mr. Penguin. Okay, Sir Slider. Maybe. Where's Stranger Things? Awesome. I mean, Mr. Pryce was the most voted. I feel like, I don't know, because I feel like he did it first, but, like, he was really mean to me, so. Like, congrats. You won the logo of me. Check your YouTube messages. Alright, now I'm just gonna go to here. YouTube. Let's go here. Alright, I will like get back to you in the next video when I get in touch with Captain CHEESE123. So she won. Congratulations to Pandora. Make sure to go subscribe to her. She's really cool. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.